Good morning students. Today video is going to see example sums. The first one example, consider the oxidations of nitric oxide to form NO2. So two NO gases and O2 gases gives two NO2 gas. They express the rate of the reaction in terms of exchange in the concentrations of NO, O2 and NO2. The first one questions. The second one question, at a particular instant when oxygen is decreasing at 0.2 mole per second, at what rate is NO2 increasing at the instant? Okay, the solutions, the rate of the reactions minus 1 by 2 d of NO by dt. So is equal to minus d of O2 by dt is equal to half d of NO2 by dt. So B is equal to B questions at a particular instant when O2 is decreasing at 0.2 moles per liter per second. At what rate is NO2 increasing at the instant? So increasing at the instant, the d of O2 by dt is equal to half d of NO2 by dt. So the d of NO2 by dt is equal to 2 into d of minus d of O2 by dt. So 2 into minus d of O2 by dt value substitution 0.2 mole per liter per second. So 2 into 0.2, so 0.4 mole per liter per second. Okay. The second one, evaluate yourself, write the rate expressions for the following reactions. The next class discuss. Okay. The second example, what is order with respect to each of the reactant and overall order of the following reactions? The 5Br minus and BrO3 minus and 6H plus minus. The order of the reactions. Okay. The discuss and 3Br2 and 3 molecules of water. To experimental rate law is rate is equal to K, Br minus and BrO3 minus and H plus twice. So CH3, CHO. The rate of the reactions, the second one, CH3, CHO, acetaldehyde and CH4 and CO. To experimental rate law is the rate K is equal to CH3 CHO 3 by 2. So the first order with expert Br minus and first order with respect to BrO3 minus and second order with respect to H plus. So hence the overall order of the reaction is equal to 1 plus and 1 plus 2 plus 4. Okay. Then order of the reaction with respect to acetaldehyde is 3 by 2 and overall order is also 3 by 2. So this is the example sums 2. Okay, the third one example, rates equal to constant x power n y power m and then 4 into 10 to the power of minus 3 mole per liter per second. So 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 per second. Okay, so apply these equations. The 4 into 10 to the power of minus 4 mole per liter per second. So 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 per second. So the 0.2 power n plus m mole per liter per second n plus m. The 0.2 mole per liter is equal to 0.2 n plus m mole per liter n plus m. The comparing the power on both sides, the overall order of the reactions n plus m is equal to 1. Okay, this is the example 3. The second, next to discuss the integrated rate law for a first order reaction. A reaction whose rate depends on the reactant concentration rise to the first power is called a first order reaction. Let us consider the following Cl2 first order reaction. Reactant to product. So A to product. Rate law can be expressed as rates equal to K A power 1. So where K is the first order constant, the d of A by dt. So K A power 1 So minus d of a by a is equal to k dt. They integrate the above equations between limits of time t is equal to 0 and time equal to t, while the concentrations varies from the initial concentration a naught to a at the later time. So they apply the integrations, the a naught to a, the initial state to final state d of a by a. So the constant, the rate of the first order constant 0 to t dt. So the ln of a, the initial state to final state is equal to k t initial state to final state 0 to t. So minus ln of a minus ln of a naught is equal to k, t is equal to 0. So ln of minus ln of a plus ln of a naught is equal to kt. So ln of a naught by a is equal to kt. This equation is natural algorithm. The converted into usual algorithm with base 10. We have the multiply the equations. The term by 2.303. So the 2.303 log a naught by a is equal to kt. So k is equal to 2.303 by t log of a naught by a. So the equation 2 can be written in the form y is equal to mx plus c as below. So ln of a naught minus ln of a is equal to kt. So ln of a is equal to ln of a naught minus kt is equal to y of is equal to c plus mx. So, if follow the reactions by measuring the concentrations of the reactant at the integrated law of the time interval, a plot of ln of A against t yield a straight line with a negative slope. From this, the first constant is the reactions is called the calculated. For example, decomposition in dinitrogen pentoxide, and second one decomposition of the thiochloride. Then third one decomposition of the hydrogen peroxide in aqua solution. The fifth one, for example, isomerizations of the cyclopropane to propane. The pseudo first order reactions. The first order reactions, acetic acid, the water molecules, the CH3COOCH3. So the water reactant, the H2O CH3COOH plus CH3OH. So rate constant is equal to constant of K. So CH3COOCH3H2O molecules. If the reaction is carried out with the large excess of water, there is no significant change in the concentrations of water. During hydrolysis, that is concentrations of water remains almost a constant. Now we can define constant of water is equal to first order reaction. Therefore, the above rate reaction equation becomes rates equal to the constant of the first order reaction CH3COOCH3. Okay. The second one discuss integrate law of zero order reaction. The what is mean by zero order reaction? A reaction with the rate is independent of the concentration of the reactant over a wide range of concentration is called zero order reactions. Okay, such reactions are rare. Let us consider the following hypothetical zero order reactions. The reactions A2 product. Okay, the rate log can be written as rates equal to the constant A naught. So d of A by dt is equal to k of 1. So A naught is equal to 1. So 1. So d of A is equal to k dt. Then integrate the above equations between the limits of A naught at 0 time and A at some later time t. So minus integration initial stage to final stage d of A is equal to constant k. So initial stage to final stage dt. So minus reactant initial stage to final stage is equal to constant T of initial stage to final stage. Okay, so the A2 minus A is equal to KT. So K is equal to A naught minus A by T. Equation 2 in the form of a straight line y is equal to mx plus c. So A is equal to minus KT plus A naught. Y is equal to c plus mx. A flat of A versus time gives a straight line with a slope of k and y intercept of A naught. For examples, for zero order reactions, the photochemical reactions between H2 and I2, H2 gases, C2, reactions to HCl, decomposition of nitrous oxygen on hot platinum surfaces. Okay, these reactions, ionization of acetone in acid medium is zero order with respect to iodine. Okay, this is the zero order reactions. Okay, thank you, students.